In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate Google Docs into your Google site in a way that's both efficient and seamless. Whether you're setting up a site for educational purposes, business collaboration, or just personal use, adding Google Docs can streamline the sharing of information and enhance the site's functionality. Let's start by navigating to Google's homepage. If you haven't already done so, open your preferred web browser and type google.com into the address bar. Press enter and you'll find yourself on the familiar Google search page. From there, you'll want to access Google Sites. To do this, simply head over to your Google Apps, which is that small grid or the waffle icon usually located in the top right corner of your screen once you're signed into your Google account. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, locate and click on Sites. This will take you to Google Sites where you can manage or create your projects. Next, imagine you've got your Google site ready and you want to add a Google Doc. This integration is invaluable when it comes to offering your viewers easy access to documents where they can collaborate or refer to information. On the Google Sites interface, you'll see a sidebar on the right-hand side. This is your navigation panel. Look for the tab labeled Insert. Clicking on this tab reveals several options, one of which is Docs. Select Docs to open up your Google Drive. Here, you'll be able to choose from the documents you've already created. Once you've clicked on Docs, it's time to find the specific document you want to incorporate into your site. Browse through your documents and select the one that suits your purpose. Maybe it's a collaborative calendar, a syllabus, or an informational sheet. Once you've selected your document, inserting it is straightforward. Just click to add it, and the document becomes part of your Google site. This not only allows your site visitors to view the document, but also to interact with it if you've set the permissions appropriately. And there you have it. Just like that, you're done. By following these simple instructions, you've efficiently added a Google Doc to your Google site, enhancing its usability and providing your audience with richer content. As with most things in the Google ecosystem, this process is designed to be intuitive, fostering easy collaboration and information sharing. Remember, the key to a successful site is not just the content it holds, but also how easily accessible and interactive that content is for the users. By including tools like Google Docs, you're ensuring your site is as dynamic and useful as possible. Happy creating, and see you next time.